It's Ritzy Cupcake! Hey everyone, it's Ritzy Cupcake here, and today I am going to a Lolita swap meet! A Lolita swap meet is pretty much like your normal swap meet. For those of you who may not know what a swap meet is, it's where you take your clothes or bits and bobs that you don't want or need anymore, and you take them to a swap meet where you meet people and you swap things, or you sell them and you can buy their secondhand things as well. So it's a really great opportunity to just change your wardrobe up a bit. I've got a lot of things that I need to get rid of. I've been hoarding them for years now. Some of those things I've had them for a year or two, and I'm just like, yeah, you need to go. Let it go, let it go. Yeah, it's time. I may not necessarily sell all of it or any of it today, but the first step is trying. I am going to get rid of these items. This is my first bodyline dress, so it's also special, and it's the dress that I wore in my very first fashion show. Here's this gorgeous velveteen dress from Magic Tea Party that still has the tags on. It's new with tags because when I got it, it didn't fit, and I've clung on to it for so long, and you know what? It's time to just let it go. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping to get rid of. We'll see if I end up getting rid of any of them, because you never know. It depends on who's there, what they're after, whether they like my style, whether they'll fit the clothes. So there's so many different variables as to whether you'll actually sell anything or not. But I went to one swap meet before, so this is my second swap meet. And the first one I went to, I did manage to actually swap a couple of things for some other things. And I also bought a couple of things. I am going to let myself buy something if I find anything that I really like, or I really want to get some more brands, so fingers crossed. Depends if it'll fit in my color palette, my style, and me. That's the most important. It has to fit me. I can't just buy something and think, oh yeah, I might lose weight, I'll fit into it later. No more of that. So gonna do this the right way. All right, let's see how we go. Wish me luck.
Because we are only high-class Lolitas.
From the swap meet. I did better than I thought I would. Way better. I actually ended up selling some things. Whoa! Brilliant. So I ended up selling these. Yeah, so I sold 2 dresses. So that made up for the spending. Well, it helped make up for the spending that I did. I ended up spending more than I made, which I expected to do, because I was like, I am going to try and get me some AP, and I did. But first, I'll start with the small things. So I ended up buying a couple of head bows from one of my friends. They're both the same head bows, but just in different colors. So red side bow and black side bow. This is going to match my red shoes, so I'm really happy. I should be able to pull off a whole coordinate now, so yay! And black. I know my hair's black and it kind of blends in, but sometimes you just want a little simple cuteness, so this is perfect for those occasions. Now to the main pieces that I got. Oh my god. As soon as I walked in, I just saw them and I was like, I'm gonna try them on and hopefully they fit. So I bought 2 dresses and they're both Angelic Pretty. Oh, I can't believe it. Finally, I've bought some Angelic Pretty, popping that Angelic Pretty cherry. So let's delve into that. Got the Angelic Pretty whip collection in Saks here. So cute. Oh my god, I love it. Now I know that I always say, I'm not really a sweet Lolita. I'm trying not to buy sweet Lolita. Yeah, I kind of fell for these too because guess what? They have cupcakes on them. Ritzy cupcake. So I was like, I need to get cupcake prints and I bought cupcake prints. So I have these 2 and the best thing about it is they have pockets. 2 pockets. It's worth the money just for the pockets alone. And they've got detachable waist ties and it's just such nice material. You don't have to iron it and it's just easy to wear. It's got shirring on the back and I was like, yes, yes. Ticking all the boxes, so that was a yes. Although I'm not too sure how I'm going to coordinate it because I don't really have much pink or light blue in my wardrobe. But it's so pretty and it's like parfait. It's got Angelic Pretty written and everything and all cakes and stuff and it just looks so yummy and cute and oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I bought that from one of my friends. And the second Angelic Pretty dress is Angelic Pretty Whip Factory in black. So cute. So obviously I wear a lot of black. So this I can coordinate easily straight away. I don't have to worry about it. It's quite bittersweet. I do like bittersweet, but I don't usually go for like crazily sweet prints. And this is pretty insane in the border here with all the cakes and whatnot. What else is happening here? But it's also won me over with the cupcakes. So had to get it. And yeah. It's just got Angelic Pretty and oh, look at the cute. I don't know if you can see that or not. Look at this cute bunny. Look, he's just holding a spoon. He's holding the serving cake thing. What's it called? This dress has like an inbuilt petticoat as well. So I'm like, wow, he's brilliant. Detachable waist ties and winning feature pockets on both sides. So I was like, yep, getting it. Getting it. Yeah, it's very sweet. It's got cupcakes all over the dress and donuts and cakes, prints and Angelic Pretty and AP everywhere and I'm just like, yes! There's a lot of new people in the community who've just joined, so that was really nice and they're really lovely and it was good to be able to actually sold most of my stuff to new people, so that was really good to be able to help out in that way and that they're going to a new home where they'll actually get used instead of just wasting away in my wardrobe. So that was a good thing that happened because it made me realize I should probably not like just hold on to clothes just for the sake of holding on to them and try and let them go to better homes. So I'm going to try and do that a bit more now. We'll see. But yeah, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.